In the engraving mode, there is a function of breaking down, continuously processing from the breaking down point.
短点列表，你可以找到几个短点，找到那个短点。
There are several ways to find the break point. This is the first way to find the break point, which is automatically saved in the controller. And also, you can find the break point in the break list. And the third way is part work, which means you can choose the breaking point, the number of the break point. Then you can choose the you can start running the machine from the number, from the line number. This is a breaking point because of the power off. The power off breaking point protection. 然后呢？
没有。只有雕刻模式才能选。
Only in the carving mode you can realize this function, this continuous processing from the break point.
这里边没法选，不让选。
If you choose the breaking point and find the breaking point and choose the right processing line from the program, then you can move the spindle. Move this spindle to the right place. For example, in this place, this is the break point. You can move the spindle to this place, and we will run the machine. We press run, then the spindle will work. We will continue with the formal processing from the break point. This function could only be used in carving mode.